What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to draw and color orange from Rainbow Friends. Let's begin today's lesson at the top center of our page with the right eye. We're going to start over on the left. Let's start with a curve. It comes down, and then we'll bend that back up. Now I'm going to go back to the left side and draw a half circle along the top of the eye, going up, and then we'll bring that back down. Now let's tuck the left eye in behind. Starting from this point, curve this down, and then back up. Now I'm going to draw the half circle going up. I'll just tuck that in behind the front eye. Let's add the pupils over on the left side. Starting down here, curve this up, and then in. I'm just going to taper that down towards the bottom, and we'll fill the inside. Let's draw that exact same shape over on the right side. Going up, and then across. Taper that back down, and then we'll fill the inside. Now let's add a fold underneath the eyes. Starting from this point, curve this around, and then in towards the bottom. Let's go to the right side, curve in the opposite direction, and just pull that in. Let's add a fold on the left eye. Starting from this point, curve around, and then in. Now along the side, just draw a short curve. Now from here, we're going to work our way over towards the left side along the top edge of the beak. Let's start underneath the eye, start with a curve going out, and then down, and we'll add a bump. Go out, and then down toward the tip of the beak. And then from here, we're going to work our way across the top of the mouth. Go in, and we'll bend that up, and just bend that across underneath the right eye. Let's add the top row of teeth. Starting over on the left, bend this down and in, and then taper that back up. I'm going to leave a small gap and just repeat this all the way across towards the corner of the mouth. Now we want to draw the tongue coming out from the mouth. Let's start underneath this tooth, bend this around, and then out. Go up, round up the tongue, and then pull that back down. Let's separate the tip of the tongue. Go up, angle this down. I'm just going to follow this curve going back up underneath the mouth. Let's draw the lower jaw. Start from the corner of the mouth, bend this out, and then down in behind the tongue. Now continue along the bottom towards the bottom edge of the jaw. Let's round up the bottom, coming down and up. And we'll pull this back up underneath the teeth, going out and then up. Let's add some teeth along the outside, going out and in. Leave a gap. Just add a few more along the top. And then we'll do the exact same thing on the inside of the mouth. From the bottom left corner of the jaw, curve this down and in. And you're going to follow that curve going up and out underneath the tongue. Go up to the top, bend this out, and then up. Now from here, we're going to work our way across the back of the neck. Let's start from the right side of the eye, bend this out, come down, and then in. Let's go underneath the jaw, draw the front of the neck, coming in, and then down towards the same height. Now we're going to draw the right arm on top of the body. From the base of the neck, let's step in, curve this out, and then down towards the elbow, round up the elbow, and then pull that in towards the hand. Now from here, we're going to draw the first claw. Bend this out and then down. We're going to taper this up, and then bend that back down on top of the hand. Let's go to the top of the claw, curve the finger going up, and then back down. Now let's layer the second finger in behind. Starting along the side, bend this out and then down. Draw that claw going all the way up, and then back down. And then from the top of the claw, curve up and down. Let's do that one more time. Going out and down, go up to the top, and then down. Now from here, we're just going to draw the top of the hand going up and then down towards the wrist. From the top of the hand, we're going to draw the forearm going across and then up. I'm going to step back to create a fold, curve up and then in towards the body. Now I'm going to continue the curve of the neck underneath the arm. I'm just going to bend this down and out in behind the hand. Come down towards the bottom, bend this down and then up towards the end of the tail. Let's go back to the front of the neck, curve the body going out, come down, and then bend that in. Now from here, we're going to layer the front leg on top of the body. Step up, come down and out towards the knee, then down and across towards the outside. Now let's move to the right side and draw the back side of the leg. From here, draw a straight line coming down, then it's out and down towards the heel, come down and then across towards the first claw. Now similar to how we did the hands, we're going to add 3 claws. Starting from here, let's curve up toward the top, bend that down, and just pull that in toward the bottom of the foot. Let's layer 2 more claws in behind. Starting from the top, go up, and down, pull that in, and do that one more time. Now I'm going to go to the top of the last claw, curve the foot coming in, and then up underneath the leg. Now with the leg in place, we're going to finish off the bottom of the body going up towards the end of the tail. Let's take this curve, go to the outside of the leg, go out, and then up. Let's draw in the left leg. From the outside of the right leg, step over, curve this out, and then down, bend this down, and then in towards the heel. Then from the heel, curve the foot going out, and then down toward the tip of the first claw, go up, and we'll bring that back down. Let's add 2 more claws in behind. We'll do that one more time. And then from the top of the last claw, curve the foot going up, and then down, aiming towards the heel. Let's step back, curve this out, and then up towards the knee. Curve this up and in behind the body. Now let's draw on the left arm. We'll start by lining up the bottom of the arm over towards the left, then this down and then out towards the elbow, curve this out and up towards the wrist. Let's layer the thumb on top. We'll step up, come down, and bend that out, taper that up towards the top, and then back out. Let's separate the thumb with a curve. Now we're going to draw on the first claw. Bend this out and then down. Go all the way up and in. And you want to bring the arm coming across and bend that down, aiming towards the elbow. Let's separate out the claw. Now we're going to turn the hand so we can see the last 2 fingers in behind. Come down and in. Taper that back up. And add 1 more. And they'll separate the top of each claw. Now I'm going to close off the top of the arm. From the elbow, step up, bend this in and up towards the neck. Now let's grab some markers and I'll show you how to color this in. Let's start with our light yellow and add a shadow on the right side of each eye. Starting from the top, go across and then just tuck that in behind. And do the same thing on the right. And we'll add a highlight on the left side of the body, starting with the eyes. Go across the top of the beak. Bring that down. We'll go across the back of the neck and just taper this down towards the bottom. Now grabbing our orange, we're going to fill in the rest of the body going around those highlights. using our pink, we're going to fill in the inside of the tongue. And then we'll use our red to fill in the inside of the mouth going around the teeth. And we're going to use a darker orange to add some shadows across the body. And as we get near the end, we'll finish off by signing our artwork, and that's pretty much it. That's how we draw and color orange from Rainbow Friends. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson, and if you did, please make sure you subscribe because I'm posting new lessons every single day. You can also drop your requests in the comments below. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.